A ballet teacher who sexually assaulted 2 girls aged 8 and 9 and recorded the abuse has been sentenced to 8 years imprisonment. Leighton Morrison, a 49-year-old man with an address of Woodfield, Tuam, County Galway, ran a ballet school in multiple venues in the west of Ireland. The 6 offences he pleaded guilty to against 2 girls occurred in 2023 and 2024. His sentencing hearing heard he isolated both girls in the changing room of one venue when the abuse occurred. Morrison, a classically trained ballet dancer, who performed at a high level internationally in his youth, dressed both children in revealing ballet costumes he brought with him to the class he was teaching. Morrison, who is originally from the UK, has been assessed as a high-risk paedophile who poses at 30 young girls for the rest of his life, Castlebar Circuit Court has heard. The abuse became known initially after one girl revealed what happened in the immediate aftermath. The court heard that just weeks before, her school had taught a Stay Safe programme, and this motivated her to disclose what had befallen her. Gardaí formed the view there was an immediate child safety risk as Morrison was still teaching upwards on 200 children ballet. They sought immediate search warrants for his home and all venues where he taught. Footage of the abuse of both girls and 339 Category 1, the most serious type of child abuse images, and 553 Category 2 images were found. In harrowing victim impact statements, the mother of one girl said, "We are completely broken. We will never be the same." Judge Owen Garvin described the abuse as horrific, that involved the girls being relinquished of their childhood and perhaps realising the world around them was more evil than they could ever imagine. Setting a headline sentence of 5 years each for 2 sexual assaults, Judge Garvin ordered they be served consecutively. Of the totality of 10 years, he suspended 2 years, 1 on each count, on the condition Morrison take part in a sex offenders programme and counselling, because, he said, no matter how long he is in jail, he will remain a paedophile.